for turtle, slow on the ground. Zip waves hello as it crawls around. T is for train going clickety-clack. Sub counts the cars as they go down the track. T is for tree, tall and green. Both frogs climb up, hidden and unseen. T is for tiger, orange and strong. Zib and Sub watch as it walks along. T is for towel, fluffy and blue. Sub dries off after splashing too. T is for toast, hot and brown. Both frogs munch as they sit down. So many T words, terrific and true.